Hi friends! We are going to work on our baby bird craft today that goes along with the Scholastic Reader magazine that you were working on that had all the pictures of the springtime with the new flowers and the new baby birds. So that's what we're going to make. There's going to be some baby birds in their nest waiting for mama to give them some food. And you know birds eat just like penguins do because penguins are birds too. So when mom comes with food, they go, ah! And mama takes the food from her mouth and she puts it in the baby's mouth. So we're going to be able to do that with our craft. You're going to need to get out the craft that has a nest like this, and then it has circles like this. I cut a few of them out already because I'm going to show you what to do. All right, so go ahead and cut out your circles. I'll cut out the other ones too with you, okay? So I'm just going to take my helping hand and hold my paper. I'm going to take my scissor hand and hold my scissors the right way. Then my scissor hand's not going to move very much. My helping hand is going to move a lot because this is a round circle and the paper has to keep moving around and around. But you see how it's my helping hand that's moving the paper? It's not my scissor hand. Whee! All right, so there's my other circle. And now I'll do the blue one, just the same. I'll use my helping hand to go around the circle and get the paper cut out. Okay, so what it's going to end up looking like, I haven't glued it down yet, so I'm just holding. It's going to be kind of like this. All right, so the body is going to be in the nest, and then the head of the baby bird's going to be sticking out of the nest, waiting for mama's food. Ah! So let's glue it on. All right, so take out your glue stick and put a circle of glue on the body. It's not too big of a paper, so we just need a nice circle of glue. Don't need to cover the whole thing with a lot of glue. Okay, and then do the other body. Okay, so they're side by side in the nest. Oh, but they need their heads, so let's do the heads next. Now we have to put the glue differently when we're doing the head because the head's going to be sticking out of the nest, right? So if you put glue on the back right here, well, that's not going to be doing anything because it's not going to be touching any paper. So we just want to put the glue right down here so that it sticks to the paper. So put a little bit of glue on the bottom. See that? And then you can stick that on. And then do the same with the blue. Just a little bit of glue on the bottom. And stick it on. Okay, then the heads are popping out. So now let's put on the beaks. So you've got two little beaks that were in your Ziploc bag. And you're just going to want to put glue on one of the triangle parts. And then we're going to be able to stick it on. Okay, so you don't need glue on both sides. Just a little bit of glue on one of the triangles and then press it down. And do the same on the other side. A little bit of glue on one of the triangles and then press it down. Look at that! It's starting to look like baby birds. So let's give them some eyes. You choose what color you want to use to give them eyes. I'm going to use brown, but you can use whatever color you think would look good for a baby bird. And I'm making big eyes because they're excited. Food is coming. Thank you, Mama Bird. Like that. And now I'm going to give them some wings. I'm going to match the colors. So the yellow bird, I'm going to give them some yellow wings. And the blue bird, I'm going to give him some blue wings. Okay. You can work on that too. Whatever kind of wings you want to give them. If you want them to be matching colors, great. If you want them to be rainbow colors, that's fine. It's your baby bird. Kind of flapping his wings around. Oh, he's so excited Mama's coming with food. Babies are so hungry. They're growing so much. Their bodies need food. And the yellow wings. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Food is coming. They're flapping. They're excited. See their wings? And then I'm just going to give them some orange feet at the bottom with my crayon. I just make a line down and then I do 3 little lines for their little toes. See there they are? Kind of hard to see. There's their orange feet. Okay, so there's my baby birds. Then your choice if you want to draw like a little worm in their beak because Mama already brought them some food, you could do that. If you want to draw a little bit of straw in their nest or some string, some of the things Mom would have used to make their nest, you could do that. If we had been at school, we were going to glue some yarn on and some little pipe cleaners to make it look a little bit more like a real nest. So if you have those materials at home, you can do that. You could glue them on, or you could just do some coloring, or you could do a little painting. Your choice. Then you'll have your baby birds. Chirp, chirp, chirp.